Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to clear cookies on Skyscanner app. Alright, so first up, just go ahead and open up the app. Now, once you're in here, go to your profile at the bottom right, just tap on it. Now, tap on settings, okay? Tap on it. Now, into the other section right here, go ahead and tap on data settings. Tap on it. Now, under here, the essentials, we have improve your experience and personalized offers from Skyscanner. Make sure that you turn these off. Okay. Once that's done, close the app like so. And once done, find the app icon. If you're using iOS, go ahead and go to the settings app. Once done, find general. And after that, tap on the Skyscanner app. Now go ahead and tap on offload data or offload app. Now in here on Android, just tap and hold onto the app right here and tap on the information icon. Tap on it. Now find a storage and cache or storage. Tap on it. Now first up, clear the cache. And once done, clear storage, and there will be a pop-up. Just tap on delete, and once done, your cookies will be cleared. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.